Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have created another very glamorous festival wedding season look. And yeah, it's a very bold, I know, but you can totally tone it up or tone it down as per your needs. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm applying a toner on my face. My face is already washed and clean. After that, I have applied this toner. Now this is a new product that I'm using. This is vitamin C face serum from Wow Skin Science, and I've really heard good things about it. So now that I'm trying it, you will be seeing it very often in all my upcoming videos. After the serum has been applied, I am applying my rose gold oil, which is from Indulgio Essentials. एंड अगर मैंने ये बात पहले क्लियर नहीं करी है, मैं इस वीडियो में दोबारा आपको बता देती हूँ. आप जब भी कोई सीरम अप्लाई करेंगे वो हमेशा पहले आप अप्लाई करेंगे, बिकॉज सीरम्स पेनिट्रेट डीप इनटू योर स्किन, और उसके ऊपर आप कोई भी मॉइस्चराइज़र या अपने फेशियल ऑयल्स लगाएंगे. Now moving on to priming our eyelids. I use this PAC Take Cover Concealer as my lid primer usually because this doesn't crease, and another reason is I don't use this concealer as my concealer actually, because I always want a full coverage, and this gives a very natural looking coverage. You can always build it up, but I personally don't like to use it as my concealer, so I don't. Otherwise, for people who like a very minimal coverage and who are college goers, and those who like light coverage things can definitely buy this. I will recommend it. It's a very good concealer, very affordable, and very easily available in the market too. After that, I'm just setting the concealer in place using a eyeshadow which is very similar to my face. You can also use a translucent powder if you have one. And brows are done off camera because I have done a dedicated video on this topic. You can go check that out. I will link that video in the description box below. And the whatever product I'm using in the video, everything will be mentioned in the description box below with the purchase links, so do check that out. Now I'm building my crease up using a very cool tone brown shades. मेरे को क्वेश्चन आया था इंस्टाग्राम पे, एक व्यूअर ने पूछा था कि कूल टोन और वार्म टोन्स में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. तो इफ़ मोर पीपल वांट टू नो अबाउट इट, क्योंकि उसको तो मैंने वहाँ पे पर्सनली मैसेज करके बता दिया, बट इफ़ मोर पीपल वांट टू नो अबाउट दिस थिंग, do comment down in the description comment section below. I will make a video on this too. And once the crease has been blended, I'm taking a very brown chocolatey shade and I'm applying it to the outer V of my eye and just bringing it inwards. तो इसके लिए बहुत छोटा ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लिया है मैंने, एंड द ब्रशेस दैट आई यूज़ आर always from PAC Cosmetics. I love their brushes. They are very affordable, very nice and very fine quality. अब उसको blend करने के बाद we are cutting the crease, but today for cutting the crease I'll be using my white gel liner which is from Inglot, and I'm cutting the crease up with a very small teeny tiny eyeshadow applicator brush. After that, I'm just applying a gold shade in the middle of the lid. You can take any gold shimmer shade. उसको blend करने के बाद I will be taking a liquid glitter and applying it in the inner corner of the eye and taking a little bit towards, merging it towards the golden shade. After this has been done, I will be drawing a bold and very big wing, because I don't know, it's just me, or whenever I think of festive seasons or wedding seasons, I just cannot do without big bold wings, heavy glittery eyes, big lashes and bold lips. It's just me maybe, but yeah. Moving on with the video. Once the wing has been drawn, and another thing, I've done another eye off camera because it just saves time. And yeah, once the wing has been done, come on, hurry up. Anyways, please do let me know how do you like this look. कमेंट कर दिया करो प्लीज़ मुझे पता रहेगा कि किसको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. what video should I do more often. इसके बाद मुझे लगा था गोल्ड पे शिमर कम था तो मैंने उस पर भी लिक्विड ग्लिटर ऐड करी, बट इन अ डिफरेंट शेड. So this makeup look is very appropriate for the coming Karwa Chauth season or Diwali, or if you're attending a wedding, which you should not, but if you are, please ये look create करना and मेरे को Instagram पे tag करना if anybody recreates my any look. Once that has been done, we are moving to the face. अभी मैंने अप्लाई किया Forever 52 का Makeup Elixir and this will act as my primer. I'm not a very big fan of this thing because ये actually कोई difference create करता नहीं है. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Anyways, taking my favorite combination of all times, Kryolan Derma foundation. I use two shades, one as my concealer, the lighter one as my concealer, and the shade that matches my skin perfectly as my foundation shade. Blending these up with a Pune Beauty Store sponge. I've purchased this from Amazon. Very affordable sponge, very nice. It works perfectly fine. I will recommend everybody to buy it. I used to use Real Techniques blending sponges all the time, but since I've bought these, I haven't bought them, the Real Techniques one. I think they are triple the price and they work completely. Both work, they both work completely same. Now moving to blush. Rarest of rarest times I use powder blushes, but today I did just felt like. So this blusher is from MAC Cosmetics and मैंने इनको depot करके magnetic उसमें रखा हुआ है because then it's just easy to carry them. Otherwise MAC वाले वो single pans में देते हैं, very annoying packaging. Now moving on to lips, and please don't unsubscribe me for using this lip shade. I will be mixing it with another one to create a desirable lip color. So yeah, this one was from My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick range and उसके ऊपर मैंने इसको टॉप करा एक शुगर की लिक्विड लिपस्टिक से जिसका शेड मुझे आइडिया नहीं है because this was a gift, but I just liked the result of these two. And अगर आप न्यू कमर हो और आपको मिक्सिंग शेड्स का नहीं पता, you can always mix and match lip shades on your palm and then see कि shade कैसा turn out हुआ. Last में I'm just applying my MAC pack fixer to just seal my makeup in place. And yeah, this was the final look, you guys, and you can also create this look in the coming Durga Puja if you celebrate that festival. So yeah, that was the complete look. I hope you like it. Please comment करना, please subscribe कर दो चैनल को, like करो, वीडियो शेयर करो. बहुत मेहनत लगती है फिल्म करने में, एडिट करने में, पोस्ट करने में. प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा अप्रिशिएट कर दो. Thank you so much. I will be back with another look very soon. Bye bye.